Okay, so this is the data. So now we have the football clubs like Arsenal, Liverpool, and Manchester United, and then the respective years 2020, 21, 2022. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some kind of chart, right? All right, so if you remember just now, I create a drop down list. How I create a drop down list? First step is click data. Second step is you click data validation. Third step is a box will appear. Fourth step, choose list in the allow section. And number 5 is select the required data. All right, so I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so if you remember, I click data. All right, so I click data, then I go to data validation. So my friends from India, Malaysia, and Singapore, can you see data validation? Maybe you can show some thumbs up if you can see data validation. All right. Okay. So once you click data validation, you will notice that a box will appear. All right. So this is the box. Choose list in the allow section. So this is the allow. What I do is I choose list. All right. And then in the source, I select the required data. That means I click here and I highlight down. All right. Arsenal until West Ham. If you notice here, Arsenal until West Ham. So I press OK. So now if just say I choose Everton, you have Everton. If just say I want Manchester United, you have Manchester United. Okay. So now I'm going to teach you is DGET formula, database get formula equal DGET. All right. So my friends from Malaysia and India, Singapore, can you see DGET? If you can see DGET, maybe you can show some thumbs up or some emoji. Okay, so DGET normally they will have 3 different argument. First one is database, second one is field, third one is criteria. Okay, database means is your entire table. This is your database. We are going to select this. All right. Your field means your field is your column. So in this one, what is your column? 2020. So 2020 is your column, comma. What is your criteria? You're going to highlight the name and also the football club. All right. Okay. So I'm going to close bracket and there you go. So now you see Manchester United 280. So you see here Manchester United is 280. Okay. So maybe I'll just put yellow. So if just say I want to look on Arsenal. So Arsenal is 730. So you see here it's 730. Okay. So let us do it on 2021 as well. Actually, I can drag. I can actually drag this, but I want to teach you again so that you can capture the DGET formula equal DGET. D means database. Database get formula. So if you see here, this is database. Database means refers to your table. So in this case, this is your table. All right. Field. Field means your column. So in this case, your column is 2021. Okay. And what is your criteria? Criteria is you must highlight the name and also the football club. All right. And then close bracket. Okay. So let me do again so that you are with me. Equal DGET, open bracket. Database means table. So you highlight the table. And then you press F4, close bracket, comma. Field is 2022. Okay. And then criteria is over here. And then close bracket. So now you see it's the same. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I want to press alternate F1. Okay, that means by highlighting this, alternate F1. So now you have this. Alternate F1 in your keyboard, you have alternate button. You also have the F1 button. So when you highlight the data and press alternate F1, you can actually create a chart immediately. All right. But before that, make sure you have also unlocked the function key, because now suddenly if you press F1, you will mute your computer. So first and foremost, you need to unlock your function key and then you can actually press alternate F1. Okay. So now you just say I choose Liverpool. So you see Liverpool. And then maybe, of course, here we have 1, 2, 3. I don't want 1, 2, 3. I want 2020 until 2022. So what I do is I select data, I go to edit, and I highlight all this. Enter. And I press OK. All right. And of course, this is not a proper presentation. So I just press the chart element and I just click data label, remove grid line, and just click this, delete. So now you can actually play around. So you just click this, Arsenal, you have Arsenal, and then you just click this, you have Liverpool, and you have Liverpool. Right, but you notice that all of these are same color. So what you can do is you just click this, right click, format data series, you go to fill and line. All right, you go to fill and line, you click on the fill, you just vary colors by point, and then you close. So you notice all these are